Truck accident claims differ from regular car accident claims in an important way. The trucking company can legally dispose of some accident-related evidence just 6 months after a crash. I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. Being in a semi-truck accident can have a lasting impact, including physical injuries, emotional trauma, and financial burdens. In Iowa, accident victims have the right to seek compensation for their losses. To seek compensation in an Iowa semi-truck accident case, it's important to understand the types of damages you can be compensated for. These include medical expenses. This includes the cost of medical treatment, hospitalization, surgery, medication, rehabilitation, and future medical needs caused by the truck crash. Lost wages. If your injuries prevent you from working, you may be entitled to compensation for both current and future income loss. Pain and suffering. This category of legal damages compensates a crash victim for things like physical pain, emotional distress, anxiety, and the loss of enjoyment of life. Property damage. This includes the cost of repairing or replacing damaged personal property, like your vehicle. Wrongful death. If a loved one dies in a semi-truck accident, surviving family members can pursue a wrongful death claim seeking compensation for funeral expenses, loss of financial support, and the loss of certain family relationships. Understanding the statute of limitations is crucial in an Iowa semi-truck accident lawsuit. The statute of limitations sets a time limit for filing a lawsuit. In Iowa, the statute of limitations for personal injury cases, which include semi-truck accidents, is generally 2 years from the date of the accident. Consult with an experienced Iowa truck accident attorney to determine the specific time limit that applies in your case, as exceptions or circumstances may alter this timeline. Failing to settle your case or file a lawsuit within the statute of limitations can result in the court dismissing your case, which prevents you from receiving compensation for your truck accident damages. Truck accident claims differ from regular car accident claims in an important way. The trucking company can legally dispose of some accident-related evidence just 6 months after a crash. To prevent this, you need an experienced Iowa semi-truck accident lawyer to send a notice called a letter of spoliation to the truck accident company and other potentially liable parties within 6 months of your crash. Acting promptly is crucial to protect your rights after a serious Iowa truck accident. Seeking compensation involves navigating a legal process that requires understanding Iowa's laws and procedures. Here is an overview of the typical steps. Step 1. Consult with an attorney. Seek help from an experienced truck accident lawyer who can evaluate your case, explain your rights, and guide you. Step 2. Investigation and gathering evidence. Conduct a detailed investigation collecting accident reports, witness statements, medical records, and other relevant documents. Consult expert witnesses for professional opinions to support your claim. Step 3. The demand letter and negotiations. Draft a demand letter outlining your claim and present it to the trucking company. Negotiate for a fair settlement that compensates you adequately. Step 4. Filing a lawsuit. If a satisfactory settlement cannot be reached, file a lawsuit within the statute of limitations. Engage in discovery where evidence is exchanged and depositions may be taken. Step 5. Settlement or trial. Many cases are resolved through negotiations before trial. If an agreement cannot be reached, you need an attorney to present your case in court so a jury can decide. Get the compensation you deserve after a serious truck wreck. For a free, no-obligation case evaluation, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.